This video I'm going to be addressing this backlog. The test map package in test the map package in a brand new project. If it works 100%, delete all nodes of the map branch in our cloud repo to free up about 15 gigabytes. Then then import the map package into our development current development branch. So this is the new project. I created a draft fall 22 sample with the same Unity version, and now I'm going to import the package. But to find that package, I guess we have that in our shared drive. No, not here. Yeah, I gotta remember where. So let's see. I need to see in which one. This is not the one. Okay, this is the link. After I import this, I'll very likely need to install some new packages that we were using, like Cinemachine and others. So I'll be reading the console errors to guide me through this process. Okay, input system. So we are missing the new input system package manager. I also believe we need to have the cine machine, but let's see. Hmm. Let me see the cutscenes. VCam. So yes, this is the cine machine thing. So let's go to the package manager. Type cine. This is the one. So just to make sure, since we are importing packages and scripts that need to be plugged in here, if I play here, it might not work. Like, there's no issues, but I usually like closing and starting the project again once we import lots of stuff like that, so that we allow the Unity and the computer some time and to process the new files and pathways and where scripts are found, so we avoid having issues that could didn't need to exist. This warning here is just because we have installed the input system and our project has always been using the old one, but we need the new one for the drag and drop of the diorama, dragging the 3D objects in the diorama to happen. So I don't want to enable backends yet because uh, I don't want the input from native devices not to come through. So for now, I'm just skipping this, and then when the time comes, we address that. Let's see if there is camera movement over here. Yes, there was. See, that's what I said. Since we had just imported the package, hitting play right away doesn't mean that it's gonna work perfectly. We need to allow time for the computer to process all the scripts and new things that we have imported. So saving and like closing and restarting Unity is always great practice to make things work. So things are working, the maps are working. Do we have any animations here? Yes. So this is the cutscene that Sarah and EJ were working on. So what I'm gonna do now is to go to plastic and delete all that old map thing with the huge files. So since I cannot pinpoint the piece or the save version in which they had removed the file, the video file, I'm literally gonna delete all of that. And this video serves as proof that they have worked together throughout the summer and updated the project in the cloud. But it turns out that we, oh my gosh, does it mean that the 15 gigabytes will not go away because it's already also here? Okay, so I'm gonna create a, meanwhile I open plastic. So this is the issue, like our Mr. Lega has 15 gigabytes of storage. My intention with this, just like I had written in the sprint report, I need to free up these 15 gigabytes that came from 3 videos only. The students tried to delete it, but private files had been created, and these private files kept resurrecting these video files. So now I'm trying to close this issue for good and clear 15 gigabytes in our cloud space repository. I gotta find the import the organize map interface package that Jessica and I created. And just like I did in the beginning of this video, uh, I'm going to be installing 2 packages from the package manager window because I know that they had been used in the production of this project, the map project. which is the new input system that allows us to drag and drop 3D objects easily, more easily, and the Cine Machine, which Jessica had used for creating these cutscenes in the diorama. Once the importing ends, I'm also going to show uh, that just importing and installing the packages and hitting play, like clicking play, is not gonna 100% work, because we need to reset, like close the project and open it again, to allow Unity and the computer to reorganize the files and like update the connections from the path to every file in the project. And then all the plugins we installed will work as intended. This is fine, like lots of issues because we are missing those. This one doesn't go away because we are missing the input system thing. So I'm going to come here and say input and install this one. The message, warning message about the backend legacy, whatever, for the input system will show just like it's showing now. I'm going to exit it for now because it's not my goal to deal with input system here. I'm just making a safe copy of everything that the students produce in the past 3 months, while I clean and make space for the in our cloud repository. The next one is Cine Machine. Okay, so I installed it, both of the packages from the Unity package manager window. If we open the cutscenes folder and, like, for instance, this one over here, no, this one, if I hit play, the camera is not going to move. Oh, it's moving, great. But in the beginning of the video, I showed you that it didn't move. So what I like to do is always close. Wait, what? Which project was I? Okay, I was in the miserably high gap, but in a different workspace. Cancel. And I only have the map interface imported, not all the rest. And let's see. These issues were also happening in our most updated branch, so it's not part of the export process. So I'm gonna do now is to check in here in this new clean map interface. What I needed to do is to make a new name. It's terrible. Map interface. All. And I'm gonna import everything. Check in to create a change set with the most updated version of didn't go out until open. So now we have a safe map branch interface. I'm gonna create a label. Checking if I have any pending changes. I don't, so I'm gonna go back to the uh, latest version. I gotta welcome Iching into the meeting. I have a meeting with her, so I'm gonna start the meeting. Unity is reloading everything from the plan C. Hi, team. I'm just finalizing a video here with a process, so I'm gonna be talking. I'm gonna share the screen so you can see what I'm doing. Uh, but you don't have to worry. I'll be right back with you. Okay. Map here. Edit cutscene recording. So this seems to be the change set that they created. Yes. Edit subscenes of map combined for cutscenes. Oh my gosh. How do I make my cell phone stop vibrating? Here. Okay. My only concern here when I delete the old branch is that Ruby tried to merge into the prototype, but that was our plan B, and we are currently the successful one was plan C. So that's something that I'll have to do. Otherwise, I won't be able to clean those 15 gigabytes. I am going to delete the entire branch, the old map C branch, and if some issue happens because of the prototype, I'm gonna delete prototype as plan B. So, okay, this is the input system. Today we created this dialog folder and we put stuff here. We also removed lots of folders from the dialog import, so everything is here just like we had planned. I'm in the most current version. And see, that issue that I showed still existed. Alright, now I'm gonna delete that and hope that it clears the 15 gigabytes. I'm gonna show again our cloud space in plastic. So we have been using all the projects 28 gigabytes out of 50, and all the projects are very light, no issues at all. But our current Mr. Really High Gap has 15 gigabytes, and I know it's because it was of 3 very heavy videos. So that's why I'm doing all of that. Let's hope that it works. Bye. Oh, I cannot. I have to delete one by one. All right, so let's do one by one. Delete. Delete. You can't remove because it has changed sets. Huh? Doesn't make sense. One by one. There should be another way of doing that, maybe with the code in the terminal, but since I don't know how to do that, I'm doing the way and the plan I have thought about and have been documenting. So that's how we learn. We think about a solution, we write the plan for that solution and start implementing the solution. This is where I am curious to see if I'm going to be able to delete this one because there was a merge to the prototype. I hope I can. Haha, I can't. Let's see if, I don't think I was able to delete the 15 gigabyte set, but let's just see if it improved. No, I think it was 8 here, so I was able to delete 300 megabytes. So like I thought, the prototype branch, which was called Plan B, needs to go. Bye. Can I delete all of that? I'll cancel. One by one. Delete. Okay. Delete. Okay. This is where now I can continue deleting the map interface. And this is where the heavy files were. Wait, what? here. Here, edit cutscene recording. So let's see if my plan was being successful. If this number goes down, it's because I already deleted the 15 gigabytes. If not, I still need to delete that. And Plastic is thinking in order to load that number. Oh, okay, nothing happened. Let's go back there. And this is edit cutscene recording. Delete. Bye. Let's go to Plastic and see now. No. So what I thought might be happening, everything we had in Plan C, I'll have to export a new Plan C. That doesn't make much sense. But anyways, I'm gonna be cleaning this. Can I delete all of that? No. I'm not gonna continue doing that. 10 minutes have gone by and I have a meeting with eating, so I'll just take notes of where I stopped. Start with backlog item 13. The online storage will go down. Where is that? Back up, sound, but the heavy video files had already been ported into some chain set in the middle of Plan C range. Will export the project without, oops, without view files and will create a new branch called fall 22 Okay, that's it. Let me stop sharing.